Welcome to Angular Routing. In this section, I'm going to teach you how to create secondary routes and route cards. I'll teach you why do we need secondary routes. You will also learn how to protect endpoints using router guards. Let's start implementing the secondary routes. First of all, I will teach you what are secondary routes and how to create in Angular application. Secondary routes mean you can divide your component into multiple router outlets. Let's say if you want multiple outlets for displaying different routable content in different parts of your application, then you need secondary routes. Let me show you with the help of example. Maybe you are building a social media website and you can divide your page or component into multiple routable parts. In the left hand side, let's say you want to display the news feed. On the right hand side, you would like to display the chat box. Then you need two different router outlets. You can also add the name of your router outlet. The main content would use the primary router outlet, and the secondary router outlet would be used for displaying the chat widget components. Let me show you the demo in our application, how we are going to implement the secondary routes. Here is our post. I'm going to create a new link for this show dashboard. So this is our main app component, and I've defined two router outlets. You will see that here you can display anything here. If you want to display the 5 latest posts, you can add it here. If you would like to display the 5 latest to-dos, you can add it here. First of all, I need to define two router outlet. So I have created the bootstrap column. You can create a row here. I'm going to divide the app component into two sections. Get rid of this one. I have created the variable. This is the template variable. Here I have assigned the name, which is dashboard router outlet. Now it's time to generate a new dashboard module. I also want to generate the routing file. A dashboard module has created. Let me open the routing module and I'm going to define route here. Make sure I have imported the dashboard component. Actually, I did not create it. I'm going to create the component inside the dashboard. Dashboard component has created. Now it's time to import the component call. Remember that? I used dashboard outlet here. The dashboard content will be displayed here inside this column. And this is our main or primary router outlet. So you can display anything inside the dashboard component. Let's say you can say that latest emails, latest post. Now we need to add a link inside the navbar. I'm going to paste a couple of the snippets. Here, I'm going to create a new links on the right hand side. Show dashboard and the hide dashboard. I have also assigned a method display dashboard and hide dashboard, because user can hide the dashboard link or user can view the dashboard link. I'm going to run the application. Now we have a post and the about. You can see the link here, hide dashboard. I'm going to open the navbar. I'm going to paste some of the snippet. We also need to import the router service. Awesome. Now you can see this syntax here. This .router.navigate. When I will click on this display dashboard from the navbar component, by default, it has set this property to true, show dashboard. I've added the check here. If show dashboard property is true, then it will display this link. you can see that we have show dashboard here. If show dashboard property is false, then it will display the hide dashboard. You can see that now it is displaying the hide dashboard. Show dashboard, hide dashboard. So when you click on this show dashboard, should be navigated to this route. Router.navigate, the outlet should be dashboard. This is the name of the outlet and this is the route. I'm going to open it here. You can see that this is the name of the route. Actually, this is the path. This is the outlet name. When you hide the dashboard, we have to clear the path. But it is still not working. I would like to check the console. Here is a problem. Cannot match URL dashboard. I found the problem. I have to import the dashboard module inside the app module. I'm gonna do it here. Dashboard module. Let me test it. Oops, it's still not working. I cannot see the latest post and latest emails, but you can see that here. Latest emails and latest post. We have to add a class. I'm gonna add it a row. Now you can see that 5 latest email and 5 latest post. I can hide the dashboard. I can show the dashboard. In this way, you can create this secondary route. Let me summarize this text how I implemented this secondary route. First of all, I have created the dashboard module. And inside the dashboard module, I have created a new route. You can see the route. I've defined a dashboard. Actually, I'm telling to Angular router, when you see this router outlet, then you have to render this dashboard component. I'm going to do it here because we have defined inside the app component. This is our dashboard content. Please render this component inside this outlet. Inside this div, you can say that. And I have added a link inside the navbar component. I've added 2 links. I've set the property show dashboard and show dashboard. If it is true, then it will display this link. If it is false, then it will display this link. And we have defined 2 methods inside the component.ts file. When user will click on this display dashboard, it will navigate to this dashboard. When user will click on this hide dashboard, it will remove this dashboard outlet. Here is a weird syntax, you can say that. It's a weird syntax. This is the outlet name and this is the path.